Hey, how you guys doing? Brandon here from Time Bomb Irrigation, shooting here from Time Bomb Studios. Just want to go ahead and reach out to you guys and let you guys know that I actually have started my full season. I'm in full swing. The lack of content has been based on the fact that I've been starting up doing all my irrigation and then trying to also do my recording on the same time, and that's not exactly working, as you probably all seeing as of right now. So what I'm going to end up doing is I'm going to go ahead and go and shift in a different direction. What I'm going to end up doing is I'm going to show you guys more of my day-to-day process of owning an irrigation repair company. This can go all the way down from end up doing some scheduling, my startup process with the homeowners. That way you can also feel a little bit more comfortable if you guys end up hiring me to understand what ends up going into the process of doing a startup, and then as well as winterization. And then also I want to do one day out of the week, I want to show you 3 different products from the same brand. Now we're going to go ahead and do a little bit of the top 3, and then you do a little bit of information about it, and then be able to see it hands-on, or a little bit of the features that they have put on them that make them stand apart from all the other businesses and other practices and other companies out there. So if you guys want to go ahead and see that, go ahead and follow me. Continue to hit that like and subscribe button. If not, follow me on Instagram, follow me on YouTube, Facebook, whatever have you. And if you don't, guess what? No biggie. I'm losing sleep over it. You remember, count your blessings. Take care.